Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by isolating the Magsafe. Unplug it and remove any case or debris so you can see damage clearly. Once done, inspect the cable and connector for kinks, frays, or corrosion. These are the usual failure points. Check the LED. Steady means power, blinking often signals a connection fault, and off can mean no power. This helps you decide whether to focus on the brick, cable, or connector as your next step. Next, you methodically test components so you know what to fix. First, swap outlets and try another device to rule out the wall or adapter. Make sure power is present. Then use a multimeter to check continuity along the cable and the adapter output voltage. This tells you if wires are broken or the brick failed. Inspect the magnetic puck closely for bent pins or trapped metal. These interfere with charging and are often resolved with careful cleaning or pin realignment. For final steps, choose repair or replacement based on your tests. Use solder and heat shrink for cut wires or replace the cable or adapter when output is wrong. Reassemble and test on your device. Make sure the LED and battery percentage climb. This confirms success. If charging remains unreliable, make sure the device port is clean. Then seek Apple diagnostics or an authorized repair. This is your key troubleshooting tip when home fixes can't restore proper output or safety.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.